We managed to get the first external funding. We have grown from 4 to now 14 people. And also our tool have identified maybe almost 100,000 critical vulnerabilities in website during the last 6 months. It's the new people that we have managed to bring on. That these are the people that are going to make it possible for us to complete and work towards our idea of creating a safer internet. What I regret is also the challenge around people, because that's the toughest thing that we have as an organization. That it took longer and was much harder than to bring the people on. So maybe this is not a regret, but that's been the biggest challenge that we had. It's the invitation to different events, networks, opportunities that brings connections to us as a small company. Or also to be able to impact and change things and influence larger things. I was invited to a meeting with Mikael Damberg on how the startups and on the conditions for startups in Sweden, about employment, migration, incentive programs and so on. For me, SUP46, I talked about networks and connections, and so it's some sort of it's a good community. But even bigger, the community creates opportunities. So for me, SUP is an opportunity. The next year is to continue on the vision of being the standard tool for security testing for developers. So every developer in the world can produce safer and higher quality code. I guess I need to continue talking about the people and the recruiting, because we have found, I think, 3 people through the startup recruiting days, and that's been really, really helpful.